If Google Drive is stuck zipping your files, don't worry. This is usually a browser issue, a connection issue, or just Google Drive struggling with a large download. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get your files downloaded without waiting forever. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and let's jump right in. First, refresh Google Drive. Sometimes the zipping process simply glitches out, and a quick refresh can restart it properly. You can press F5 on your keyboard, or if you're on Windows or Chrome, try Ctrl+R. After refreshing, give it a moment and see if the download starts moving again. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause Google Drive to get stuck while preparing or zipping files. To test it, open a new tab and go to fast.com. Let the speed test run and see if your connection looks stable. If your internet is dropping in and out, switch to a stronger network, restart your router, or wait until your connection improves before trying again. If you're trying to download a huge folder all at once, try downloading fewer files at a time. Large folders can take longer to compress, and sometimes Google Drive freezes during the zip process because the folder is too big. Instead of downloading everything together, break it into smaller batches. This often makes the download start much faster and reduces the chance of it getting stuck. Another simple fix is to right-click the folder and choose Download Again. Sometimes the first request doesn't go through correctly, but sending it again can trigger a fresh zip request. If Google Drive still appears frozen, cancel the process if possible, then repeat the download step from the folder menu. If none of that works, try Incognito Mode. On most browsers, you can open a private window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N. Incognito Mode disables many extensions and reduces browser interference, which can help if an extension is blocking Google Drive from zipping your files properly. Once the private window opens, sign in to Google Drive again and try downloading the folder one more time. If you're still having problems after that, you can also try clearing your browser cache, disabling unnecessary extensions, or switching to a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. But in many cases, just refreshing, checking your internet, reducing the number of files, and using Incognito Mode will solve the issue. So to recap, if Google Drive is stuck zipping files, refresh the page, check your connection, download fewer files at once, try the download again, and use Incognito Mode if needed. These simple steps fix the problem in most situations. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.